Kendete ukolekoro korwa chinkongo chionse niko wana borokia mona borokiwa akurwa se county ya Nyamira anase skuru joboroso ya umugamba igotoka se bunge ya kitutu masawa baonoki sibaine kidioko kigo kwabo aso kunyara komento kwa bali ba ECDE ase skuru inabago obwaga chigo ikiranigwa ase skuru eyo anene asamangana lengete abana bakego se ECDE omuliki tokoro se county ya Nyamira jobu maangi na mange
Kisii nachyo ekebungo ase obogima kolende oborosoni gobokobekwa ekero mwana are omoke asenjera moyo kuikirania chira lire cyabamenyi be county Nyamira nigo mugavana we county Nyamira agenderete kurwa ogosira kota sisukuru ao
chinguru mwanga ire ne chino njenkoba omozombo ino
omotengo omonene ase sukuru ya omogomba primary egotoka ase bunge ya kitutu masaba maiga yokonyora ogosira.
Tunashukuru kwa kutupatia walimu watatu. Ile jitihada ambayo iko nayo kwa kuleta vitabu na mahitaji mengine ambayo wanafunzi wanahitaji katika hii shule.
Nigo banyora ogosira go kwagachirwa ebirasi bibere nabo igo chinyomba cha kebara.
Nashukuru tena kwa county government kwa kutuchengea madarasa ambayo ni makubwa yenye yanastahimili namba kubwa ya wanafunzi wenye katika hii shule. Wametuchengea choo ambayo itasaidia hao wanafunzi.
Omokoni bomoroki amonene Priska Kirubo natebo gosira banyora ngo chikororo bya abasoma asaboroki wase sukuru eyo nakaboroke chinga kichinyororo.
On the other hand, we are also grateful for the teachers that the county government has sent into this school that has made the school to have a strong base for the commitment that you've made to this school, because some time back we received desks / lockers for the JSS and class 8 that really improved the view of the school. We are also thankful for the structure that is already in place.
Engane yabage kwegwa ogosira no morokia Eric Omara oyote bogosira banyora ngo chiko bakonya mono.
Kitu kingine ambacho tunashukuru our governor ni ya kwamba aendelee na hizi juhudi zake za kuongezea walimu pesa. Hilo ndilo hitaji kubwa ambalo is a great concern about payment of our teachers.
Kolende nonyanigo ayana aramagani babwate gutese serikali ye county ya Nyamira.
If it can be possible with the county government to help us have a level ground so that these learners in preschool can be able to conduct their games well and maybe other activities, because the ground is sloppy even where they are going to the washrooms.
Encourage the county government to emphasize more on employment of more ECD teachers because of the great enrollment in our most.
Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurwa se county Nyamira Job Maangi.